Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 29th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla down $6.75, 0.77%, closed at 870.76. Post market, we seem to be up by $5.74, $5.92, 876.68. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. We have a red candle and we came up quite high. Let me push this resistance into the hourly chart, actually. Yeah, so we open right here, came up to this double resistance we have had for a long time. Look at this. Very important double resistance. We came to it during the day, we touched it and we cave. So this should be red, of course. I'm just doing this so that I'm trying to see if you are noticing. Yeah, so we came up to this point and yeah, this is a perfect touch. This is a perfect touch and we came back in and we stayed also below this resistance right here. Yeah, this is supposed to be support. This is supposed to be support right here. But now here it has become resistance. And we gave under 874.35, 874.35. The stock is really trying to get up, but then the sellers are just hammering the stock down. And we now know that Elon has sold $4 billion worth of stock not too long ago. And he said that he should be finished. So maybe this is what happened right here. I don't have the exact dates. I did not have the chance to check them. But anyway, it doesn't change our stock analysis because we are inside this downward channel. And even though we tried to get back up at least over this support right here, we could not do it today. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Nice start of the day. Nice start of the day. So on the 1 hour chart, we gapped up here, closed above the support I'm talking about. We closed above that and we reached a high of 934. We had a great start. We had a great start right here. Second hour is just the pullback hour. We did not pull back as much as during the first hour. And then third hour, we started to weaken here, making lower highs. And the lows are still okay. And then the lows started to fall. And this is why we closed below 874. Let's go back to the daily chart. So, well, everything in terms of indicators, everything is ugly. Let's just be patient. Let's not buy this dip yet, because if we buy the dip in a downturn like this, we would have been buying at higher points. So let's just wait until this downtrend is over and that we start going back up, and that will be the dip to buy. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Sunday for my members and Monday for everybody else. And I'm going to tell you, à la prochaine.